What up, YouTube? You can't stop trading and investing with your boy James E. What a beautiful day it is. Today I want to talk about FORW. For those of you that don't know forwardly, they are an investor in Humbl in TSMP. I want to get into that connection. I want to get into the technicals. But before I do that, man, please click that like button. Please subscribe. It is very much appreciated. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that likes to research and analyze anything that I find interesting in the stock market. And I like to share that with anybody willing to listen. So, that being said, let's just get right into it. So, FORW. Let's get into this right here. As you can see right here, last year in December, Forwardly Inc. acquired warrants to purchase 500 million shares of Tesoro Enterprises, TSMP, better known to all of us as Humbl Pay Humbl. So, you know, this is, I've noticed and I've been having this on my radar, but haven't really traded it, haven't really did nothing with it. George Sharp, he is the one, he is the CEO of FORW. If you don't know who George Sharp is, go find my videos. I've done videos about George Sharp in the past. Go look that up and watch those videos, please. But just to give you a rundown on it, George Sharp, he is the man. He is the one that got Humbl onto the OTC markets in the first place. He made an investment of $50 million in exchange for warrants of up to 500 million shares. He made the right decision. So I've noticed FORW, which is the company owned by George Sharp, which is the company that invested in TSMP, Humbl, that it moves very similarly to TSMP. So, you know, we had that big news of TSMP come out today. I made that video about it already. Please go and watch it. That, we had that big move this morning on TSMP. Boom, right here, as you can see, huge spike, went parabolic in the morning, held beautifully right here in consolidation in the 46s, which I winded up purchasing, and I talked about that. But I noticed a breakout. Now, OTCs, I love multi-day breakouts in OTCs. They work very well. So there's a breakout here at 21. So I noticed when it was holding right here and started gearing up, I was a buyer in this pop right here. I was anticipating the breakout of 21, so I got in at 2023, and that was a beautiful move. Held on to it and closed out the day with almost $400 profit on it. And as you can see the history of it, the last time it broke out here, had a nice big run and then gapped up in the morning and pushed. So that's kind of my goal with this thing. I'm not sure how far it can run. Depending on how well Humbl TSMP does tomorrow, will probably depend on how well FORW does. But I couldn't miss out on this move because it was such a great day for TSMP. And I winded up selling some shares, profiting on it, and then bought up more shares. And now I'm holding that, and it's up for a small profit right now going into tomorrow. So, you know, it's such a great day for a great catalyst for Humbl and TSMP. That when I noticed this move, I definitely want to be a part of it, especially when I seen it pop here. So I bought it and closed out with almost a $400 profit. So that was a beautiful move, FORW. If anybody is not familiar with FORW, you know, go look it up, guys. It's connected to TSMP, and it seems to move and have big moves every time TSMP does. So for those of you that might be a little afraid to buy TSMP, thinking that it might be overextended at this point or might be too high of a price, well, this is like buying it at a discount, man. It's about half the price of what TSMP is now. So, you know, you can potentially buy up more shares, and every time TSMP moves, FORW seems to move the same as well. So, just wanted to give you guys an update on FORW. Winded up capitalizing on it today, and most likely going to sell my shares in it tomorrow, depending on what TSMP does. So leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think of my analysis. Let me know if you guys actually participated in FORW. If you guys know about FORW, I know a few of my TSMP bulls. They know about FORW, and they continue to bring it up in the comments. Which is why I went and looked at it again today, and I noticed, man, we might be getting a breakout, and so I capitalized on that breakout. Again, if you made it this far, please click that like button. Please subscribe. You can't stop mafia as a mindset movement, meaning never stop yourself, never stop your progress, never stop your education, especially in finance. Having multiple streams of income is an amazing thing, and the stock market is a place where you could do that. So FORW, if you're in TSMP, FORW should definitely be on your watch, definitely be on your radar, so you could capitalize on those moves as well. If you're seeing TSMP move, most likely FORW is moving with it. So that's going to be it for today, guys. I'll be sure to keep you updated as much as possible. Till next time, I'm out. Peace.